So I put a in V1 at 12 AU7, I think it is, which is really low. You could try I think it's a 57, 51, but changes the amp more into a blues or classic rock amp. So here's that's a vintage burn. Match up better, but you'll notice gain 1 is like almost all the way up and gain 2 is almost all the way down. You're not going to get that sort of metal burn, but you do get a really nice, you're able to really configure these guys better. And you get a real chewy sort of sound. You can dig in. Also, if you're on the Varbalux end, it's not so spiky. It's a lot more mellow. Kind of tames the amp a lot. And it's just a simple tube swap in V1. Really changes the characteristic. Like I say, you're going to lose a lot of your super high gain in the burn channel, but you're going to pick up a really nice rock tone or blues tone. And if you need to push it, you just put a pedal in there. So there you go. Quick mod. Works real well. Gives you a lot more options.